Dear automation engineers, the valve in a pipeline is to be opened and closed by using a special device. The valve is opened by using a push button switch, and when the push button is released, the valve should be closed. We have to solve this problem with the help of electro-pneumatic technology. By pressing the push button switch, the electric circuit for the solenoid coil is closed and 5x2-way solenoid valve is actuated. The piston rod advances to the forward end position. After releasing the push button, the electric circuit for the solenoid coil is opened and 5x2-way solenoid valve is switched back to its initial position. The piston rod returns to its retracted end position. Now we are on the profile plate of the electro-pneumatic system. In this problem statement, we have to open and close a valve of a pipeline. It means we will need the force in both the direction. That's why we are going to use double acting pneumatic cylinder. To reduce the speed or control the speed, we will use one-way flow control valve. As per the problem statement, we are getting only one signal. That's why we will use single solenoid 5x2 DCV. Let's connect as per the protocol. Now the pneumatic circuit has been completed. Let's move on towards the electronic circuit. For this, we will use a electric press button from this switch box. We will use this normal open port of this switch. And after the output of the switch will be delivered to the DCV, and we have to connect the ground wire of the DCV also. So let us check whether the electric signal is working or not. I am pressing this switch. I am receiving the signal at the DCV. Now I am opening the port of pneumatic power supply. Now the DCV is receiving pneumatic power. If it gets the electric signal, it will trigger the DCV 5x2-way DCV, and the DC will divert this pneumatic pressure to the cylinder and will control or actuate it. Let's see. As the push button is pressed, the cylinder is moving in forward direction and it will close the valve, and when the press button is released, it will return back and will close the valve of the pipeline. In this way, this problem given by the industry has been solved.